Hi, this is Nitin with another review of the Resurrection Rom 2.6 on my Samsung Galaxy S2. This is just updated version of the same ROM which I ran last week, 2.5.3, and which made my Galaxy S2 actually faster than the stock Galaxy S3, because this one seems to have jelly bean animations. You can see the boot screen is a little bit different. Earlier days have Resurrection ROM and it goes off like this and comes back. So that's the one change in this, in the boot up screen. Resurrection ROM. To see the differences, I'll just take you to the page. Yep, this is the one, Resurrection Remix ICS ROM. I must say this is a very good ROM for Galaxy S2. And what all they say about this ROM? One second. This is a change log for this ROM. Based on latest M6 AKOP, so it's updated. Kernel, you can choose which kernel. Scrolling is improved. ICS widget added. Sony Xperia launcher, which I removed myself. Added Bluetooth update. And 2.5.3 which I added was, it had SG2 settings updated, clock app fixed, super use updated, camera updated to camera ICS code fixed. It had YouTube updated, Google Plus, Jellybean, you can see Jellybean music app, Jellybean improved browser transitions, Jellybean system UI, Jellybean notifications, all Jellybeans. Because of that, this ROM was very fast. You can see this is my default screen before I unlock the phone. You can see the weather, the place where I am. It's Al Karama in Dubai, sunny. The CRT animation, the clock, the date and the time, and the Fahrenheit outside. This is actually taken in the morning, so it's another right, one at the moment. Okay, you can see usual ICS. Just light to unlock to the camera. You go to the ICS camera, or light to unlock the phone. Okay. I just want to show you a brief overview. You can see it's pretty fast. I can give you an example of this ROM. I'm not going to review this ROM anything because I don't know how to review it properly. I'm just going to show you the few differences between this and the stock Samsung stuff. You can see this is a notification. You get a lot of notifications. You can change into two. One is this and one into default ICS that comes. And you can see two updates available. Play Store, that is Jellybean Live Wallpaper and Update Me. Just click Update. It will happen in the background. You can see the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, the screen rotation. It's pretty fast. The plane mode, the flight mode, sorry, the sound off, sync, 2G, all these options, and the fast charge. It has no SIM since I'm not using this phone anymore. You can see it's pretty fast and fluid. Okay, you see the opening of it. Speed is really fast. This is just a load of page I preloaded, and this is default browser. I mean, not default browser of Jellybean. It will be default on this phone whenever it gets Jellybean. You can see how tabs are done on this phone. Really nice. Fluid. You can see it's. As far as I know, it seems like the inventor of WebOS, the card-based OS which HP destroyed, is now working with Google. So you can see many card-based transitions. Let me just rotate the screen and see. If you rotate the screen, you can see again it comes as cards. Simply love this. The effects are very nice. You click it, it opens. Then again go here. Very beautiful interface, and you can see the speed at which it goes back. This is the worst part of Samsung. Any Samsung set, even the S3 had a bit of lag going back from the apps menu or any menu to the home screen. The Galaxy S1 which I had 3 years ago, it was around 3 seconds, and Galaxy S2 was around 2 seconds. Galaxy S3 also had a bit of lag, but this, boom, beautiful. And you can see I've set it up as folders. Let's see, the messaging app is just standard Android. I've installed the Jellybean keypad. You can download it from the net. Very nice keypad. From the Play Store. Very nice keypad. Okay, what else I can show you? The contacts is same standard ICS. Then this is just another folder which I uploaded, the Google Doc, the phone, same it looks, standard ICS. And what are the things which I use? One is the go weather. You can see that flying out effect. You can add location. This one gives very good video animation. Back, see it slides out, flies in. It's a widget for it. Go weather. You have to specify the location. The galleries also looks the same. ICS one. This is just seeing my online albums. One album I loaded my Facebook, Rafa King. You can see the effects, the flying out effects, the flying in effects. Some things which I hate about ICS. Google has given their blow to it now. Google Plus. Many things which is not a good thing. With this ROM, like I said, you get you install a recovery for this clock or mop. It's very easy to install, just takes 2 minutes. And I showed you the camera animation. Just install a few games, moves, Temple Run, Yo Ninja Free, WhatsApp. It's just about it. Nothing much I want to show you. Yeah, I like to show you this thing. You can completely personalize it. This is the, what do you call this, multitasking. You can see this looks like WebOS one. You get an option of 3. One is the HTC Sense 4.01 and the Google one, which is you have to swipe across the screen. For that you have to go to settings, and you can see it's same flying out, flying in effects. This ROM control, you can change all that. Default, I have made a lot of changes. I made loads and loads of changes. I don't want to explain that and bore you. I just want to show it to you. Navigation bar, lock screen, power menu options, whether I've enabled this, and power saver also I've enabled. Then let me see, customize toggles. Yeah, you can change to this layout, either one of them. What was that? Where's the multitasking thing? I thought I'll show you that. I don't remember where I found it. Startup tweaks. Performance, you can reduce the CPU so that you get better battery. So the battery life will be improved. And you can set how much RAM you want free, 100 MB. Set up at boot, scrolling cache, fast charge at boot. That's just about it. This ROM, like I said, you can completely change whatever you want. So we're just checking how to check the multitasking one. Nope, can't find it. Don't remember. But let me see. It's nice. The HTC one is also nice, but I prefer the card. The WebOS one. Like I said, this is the last video which I'll be shooting for my S2, since I've given it away to my dad. That's just about it. Nothing much else to say. And you can see about phone, GTI 91004, Android 4.0.4, CR kernel, and yeah, Resurrection version 2.6. Legal information, forget it. Hardware information. Sorry, 830 MB is the memory, rear camera 8 megapixel, front 2 megapixel, screen 480 into 800, and Samsung Exynos processor. Yep, just about it. My Samsung Galaxy S2 running the Resurrection ROM. As far as I know, this is one of the best ROM. I don't know which is the best. Depends on your mood and purpose, what you want the ROMs with. And yeah, that's just about it. I had my UI ROM, which I loved for customizability, but I had to give it to my dad, who's not a geek. He needs a simple phone to understand how to run. So this phone is fine. Speed is brilliant. It's stable. Everything works. Nothing doesn't work. It's easy to understand. That's about it. Anyway, see you next time. I'll put the link of this ROM in my YouTube page, and so that you can access it. That's bye bye, folks. Good night.